All right, we're going to be continuing to talk about how we measure the stars. And we've talked about apparent magnitude before, and that's how we measure the brightness. And the apparent magnitude is how bright the star appears from Earth. Okay? One is a very bright star. And then 6 is the dimmest that can be seen without a telescope. And except from this, low numbers are brighter. Low magnitude is brighter. So here are some objects that we can see in the sky. And so Sirius is a star, negative 1.46. So if 1 is bright and lower is brighter, this is really bright. Okay, it's the brightest star in the sky. Okay, Polaris is pretty bright, somewhere around 2. Okay, the sun from Earth is really, really bright, right? Negative 26. All right, that's very, very low. Okay, and then Venus minus 4.4. So list the objects from brightest to dimmest as seen from Earth. Well, brightest is going to be the lowest number, so it's going to be the sun. Then next is going to be Venus. Venus is the brightest thing in the sky outside of the sun and the moon. It's brighter than any of the stars. And then next on this list is going to be Sirius. And then last is going to be Polaris. And we know that because lower numbers is equal to brighter. All right. And then of the 4 objects, which in reality is by far the least bright? And the answer is going to be Venus. It's only a planet. Okay. It's only reflecting a little bit of the sun's light, so it's way less bright than any of these actual stars. But it looks brighter because it's closer. All right, so apparent magnitude is how bright it looks from the Earth, and there's 2 things that go into it, how bright it really is, but also how far away it is. So the next thing is the absolute magnitude, and the absolute magnitude is how bright the star really is. All right, and what you do is you kind of, how bright the star really is if it was 10 parsecs away. And a parsec is a distance measurement. So we're going to take the distance out of it. We're going to make all the stars as how bright they would look to us if they were exactly 10 parsecs away. And again, lower number is brighter. Okay, so these are the absolute magnitudes of the stars. Okay, and if they were the same distance away, which would be the brightest? The one with the lowest number. So Polaris is the brightest. And of these 3 stars, the sun would actually be the dimmest. Remember, 6 is the dimmest we can see with the naked eye, so the sun, if it was 10 parsecs away, is not a very bright star at all. Okay, and again, it's as explained, so lower number is brighter. Okay, and would you be able to see Venus if it was 10 parsecs away? No. we can only see up to a magnitude of 6. This is way above 6, so we can never see it with our naked eye.